What is your name?
I need a lawyer is what my name is. Because I didn't do anything wrong.
Put your hands behind your back.
You know who I am?
I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Well, shit.
Give
me a lawyer.
You are being detained.
Give me a lawyer. Give me a fucking lawyer right now. Running around like a little chicken after me. Who's that?
I asked you to put your face up there. Do what I'm asking you to do. Spread your legs. Now.
Fuck. Sir, pay my tab, please. A tab for a fucking meal.
In September 2025, police began investigating after a customer allegedly walked out without paying a $141 restaurant bill. What began as a simple dine-and-dash complaint quickly escalated when officers attempted to make contact with the suspect, later identified as Kero. Bodycam footage captures the events that followed as police investigated the incident and attempted to take him into custody, leading to multiple criminal charges.
What happened?
Okay. I was managing a restaurant. One of my servers came over. At the Cheesecake Factory in West Palm Beach. My server notified me that upon taking over one of his new tables, the check that was already open from his guest already had quite a few drinks on it for just one person. However, his guest didn't eat food and he didn't seem intoxicated, so we decided to just monitor him closely to make sure that he didn't have too much to drink. He did order one more drink with dinner, and then that's when we decided that even if he ordered another one, we weren't going to. But regardless, at that point, the total on the check was a bit high for one person, so we decided to keep an eye on him anyways, just to make sure that he paid the check. I watched him go to the restroom. He came back and sat down at the table, told the server that he wasn't ready to pay yet because he was busy watching a show. It was a football game on TV. So at this point, I'm definitely standing there watching him. And then, sure enough, as soon as I turn my back, I turn back around and I catch him walking out the front door, and I sort of just step in front and I say, "Hey, sir, unfortunately, we just need to make sure you paid for his check." He kept insisting that he paid for it, but I knew before walking up to him that up until that point, the server had not received it. So that he kind of tried telling us that he gave it to somebody else to kind of throw us off and make us spin around a little bit. And then eventually he was just cursing at me, turned around and walked out the front door. And then that's when security had already been notified by my other manager. So I kind of just stayed with the guest and just politely over and over just kept asking him, "Please, sir, just pay for the check. Please, help just take care of this, figure this out." And then he just kept walking. Security eventually got behind us and followed us to make sure everything was okay. And then that's when you guys showed up as well.
So the whole time he was there, he sat by himself the whole time?
Yes, sir.
And he never made any attempts to pay which one?
No, at one point, before leaving, it appeared to be making a phone call, but nobody answered because he hung it up right after. And then that's when he got up and walked out.
And he told you that somebody else would pay for his tab?
No, he told me
that somebody
repeatedly that he gave cash to an Italian gentleman. But we could not figure out who that was.
I got off the phone with 911 because this kid's chasing me around saying I owe a tab. I said I put cash in a book like that for someone, and someone took it. And then he's chasing me. I'm like, "Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone."
What do you mean someone took it? They can review cameras. What's your name? Do you have your ID?
I paid my tab and he's chasing me around. Like, why is this kid chasing me around?
Do you have your ID on you?
I do not have ID. Everybody knows me and what restaurants I own.
Take your hands out of your pockets. Do you have anything with your name on it?
I do not.
So how am I supposed to identify you if you don't have anything with your name on it?
Why do I have to be identified?
I already told you.
I didn't do anything.
We're investigating something right now.
Investigating something.
Sir, what is your name? What is your name?
Getting really old.
What is your name?
I need a lawyer is what my name is. Because I didn't do anything wrong.
Put your hands behind your back.
Let me find some Friday. I'm a Friday now. What a bunch of fuck.
Are you going to give us your name, or you want to pick up another charge? It's up to you.
Well, I've been
Which one is it?
A lot of names.
What is your legal name? What's your legal name?
I never had legal birth certificate.
What is your legal name?
Why are you cuffing me? I didn't do anything illegal. I paid my tab.
Is your legal name?
I paid a tab, so why are you cuffing me? What does my name matter? I paid my tab.
You guys are going to prosecute, right?
I mean, ideally, we just wanted to get the
He's
cash.
not gonna. He doesn't have no cash on him.
General
So
manager's on the
I would hope that you want to prosecute, because now we have a guy that doesn't want to give his name up, doesn't want to participate. He said he pays his tab. You know he didn't pay his tab. So, I mean, other than them not learning their lesson and just doing whatever they want, that's our options.
Why are you cuffing me? I didn't do anything illegal. Yo, stop cuffing me. I didn't do anything illegal. Why are you yanking me around, motherfucker?
I'm not yanking you around.
You know who I am.
I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Oh, shit.
Who are you?
You know exactly. Everybody knows who I am, man.
I don't know who you are.
Bullshit. Why are you yanking me around? What
I'm
are you
not
arresting me
yanking you
for?
around. You're
Give
being
me a
detained.
lawyer.
You are being detained.
Give me a lawyer. Give me a fucking lawyer right now. Detained for what, you fucking psycho? Detained for what?
For defrauding.
Defrauding, you fucking psycho ass fake. You psycho ass fakes. What are you talking about? Defrauding what, you fucking psycho ass fake? Who's that little faggot running around like a little chicken after me out of a restaurant that's not even his? What are you talking about? You're illegally
Put your chest
detaining
up
me.
against the door.
Motherfucker, man, I'm not doing this shit no more, you fucking fakes.
Spread your
And
legs.
you know who the fuck I am.
Spread your legs.
That you frauded me,
Spread your
you
legs.
and your f***ing frauded me in my restaurant.
The restaurant's yours.
You know what restaurants are mine?
I'm not playing with the crazy game.
Which one?
You're still gonna go.
Which one?
You're still gonna
Fiola's?
go.
Graziano's?
You're still
That's
gonna
yours?
Yeah,
You own
fucking right.
those?
That's my fucking right.
Yeah.
So
What's
it's
your
this
name?
town.
So what's your name?
So it's everything at Publix.
Everything at Publix is yours
Yeah,
too?
Botticelli.
Botticelli's.
Who's
I
that?
asked you to put your
Hey,
face
don't
up
fucking
there.
touch
Do
me.
what I'm asking
Hey,
you to do.
Hey, tell him to get his fucking hands off me, man. Fucking little faggots.
Why are you so angry?
Because you're a
Oh.
Because you arrested me for no reason. I paid my tab with cash. And that little is running around with some computer tab when I paid my waiter,
Listen,
the Italian waiter.
Stop screaming.
Listen,
Stop screaming.
you're-
I'm right here. You don't have to scream at me.
You're illegally detaining me for no reason.
Speak to me in person. You don't have to
Tell this
We'll do
goon
it.
to get off me then.
Who?
Tell him to stop me.
I asked you to do something.
I didn't do
You
anything.
put your chest on the door.
I
That's it.
didn't-
Shut your mouth.
Hey, motherfucker.
Do that. That's it. That's all you have to do.
Hey, don't fucking touch me, man. Don't fucking touch me. You're a fucking bunch of bitches. Everyone has a gun in this state, and you're manhandling me over some fake wannabe tab. Come on, you kidding me? Everybody knows me. You keep doing this to me.
We don't know you.
This is the 5th time you've done this to me.
The 5th time?
Yeah, fuck you, man.
What was the first time?
Have you seen him
Huh?
before? I'm gonna ask this.
Hey, why is he manhandling me over a tab? Everyone's
I
got
asked
a
you
gun
to
in
do
this
something.
state,
I asked
and
you
you're
to do
manhandling me
something.
over a tab.
Take a photo of his face.
You're going to go to jail, right?
Why am I going to jail?
I do what I asked you to do. Spread your legs. Spread your
Oh,
legs.
motherfucker.
Now.
Fuck, bitch.
Spread your legs.
Oh, you're
Right,
pulling guns.
right now.
Pedophiling, though. I don't owe tabs to no one, bitch, do I? I don't owe tabs to no one, do I, bitch?
You do.
I don't, bitch.
Turn
What's my
around.
name?
Your chest
What's
up
my
against the
name,
door.
bitch?
Simple.
What's my name, bitch? I guarantee it. It's the white boys. It is it, bitch.
Come on, don't play the game, bro.
What's my name, bitch? Why don't you go molest some little faggot with a gun, bitch? Touch me,
that?
bitch. Don't fucking touch me.
Don't do that. You'll
I'm your
lose every time.
boss, faggot. You're a bitch. You owe me tabs, bitch. You make more than you deserve. Where's my Fiola's tabs, bitch? Where's my Graziano's tabs? You fucking little faggots are molesting, raping me around for a alleged a fucking tab, sir. Sir, pay my tab, please. A
you
tab for a fucking meal.
Oh, you can't pay
They're
your tab?
slamming me over.
Why can't you pay your tab? I thought you couldn't pay your tab.
Don't
I thought you couldn't pay your tab.
bitch, I don't owe you a tab for nothing.
Get in the car.
Maybe you're in the fucking wrong
Get in the
world.
car. Get in the fucking car.
You're in the wrong world. Wrong world.
Now.
You're in the wrong world.
Kero was ultimately convicted of defrauding an innkeeper and 2 counts of resisting arrest in connection with the incident. What started as an unpaid restaurant bill quickly escalated into a criminal case, ending with multiple convictions following his encounter with law enforcement.